No, it's not yours.
Is that our room or Tita Mommy's room?
There.
It's not our room. Tita Mommy has a key.
Oh, where's your room?
Is that your room? Is that your room? No, it's not your room. It's our room. Our room is here. Come on. Come here. Where's our room? Bye. Where's our room? Where's our room?
There.
Can you find our room? Where? Where? Are you sure? Are you sure? What number? What number? What number? What number?
I don't know.
Let me check. You check if it's working. You check. Oh, it's working! Wow! So it's our room, right?
It's my room.
It's your room.
Yay! It's my room.
Yay!
Take off your sweepers.
Okay, give it to Mommy.
It works.
Oh, it works, right? Okay, you lay down.
Hey, you want to drink?
No. Put it there. Ay! Get out. Careful. Slowly. Get on the baby ni Mommy. Okay, now it's so full. Be careful. You want a drink?
Here. Oh my gosh, there's a lid over there.
Okay, it's okay lang. Here, sit down.
Whoa.
Sit down lang, Milab.
Drink it. So tasty. Careful.
Mm.
Here we go.
Thank you. It's full.
Back here.
Don't remove the cover. Put it there lang. Oh, you lay down there. Lay down. Okay, lay down only, ha? Okay, Mommy will get that pillow. Okay, you wanna change your clothes? Yes or no?
No.
You wanna drink? No, it's not a charge already. It's not full charge. It's not full charge. It's not fully charged.
I'll watch my cars. I will watch the cars.
Is it full already? Ah, it's not yet. Hala ka.
100.
No, it's not 100. It's 90 only.
No, it's 100. Wait.
Let's wait for Daddy. Please, po. Let's wait for Daddy.
Okay.
Let's wait for Daddy. You go there. Enough na, my love. Enough na. That's enough. Careful, Olo. Careful, Nak. It's enough. That's enough. It's full already.
Yay, too many. Look.
Enough. Mommy's full already.
Drink it.
No.
You could drink it.
Okay, lay down na. You take a rest.
Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys. We're here. Where are you, Nathan?
I'm here in Nathan's room.
Is this your room?
Yes.
Are you sure? It's your room?
And this is my milk.
That's your milk. Oh, go. Tell everybody, where are you? Show them your room. You tour. You make a tour. Oh. It's so. Miss will help you.
Yay! Thank you.
Welcome. Lay down lang there, ah. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No, bye-bye. Not yet.
Not yet. Why not yet? Say, mommy, say bye-bye lang. Bye-bye.